now I will open the floor for question and answer. So if you have any questions regarding this, so either you can type your question in the box or you can raise your hand so we can allow you to ask your questions. Okay, so I think Mr. Badlani has raised his hand. हाँ बदलानी जी, आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं अपनी।
पहली चीज तो मेरा एक सजेशन ये है कि इसमें थोड़ा टाइम जो है वो बढ़वा दिया जाए सबमिशन का, क्योंकि इतनी टेक्निकल नॉलेज जो है वो सब भट्ठे वालों को नहीं है, शायद वो थोड़ा सा टाइम लेंगे जो है। और
बदलानी जी, इसमें सबमिशन ये है कि इसमें ये शायद अभी जिस मतलब ढंग से अभी वो समझाया गया है और उससे ये काफी जो है लगता है कि काफी डिफिकल्ट सा टास्क शायद लगता होगा, मगर इसमें हमारा इसमें ये है कि आवर टीम इज अवेलेबल as well as we also have in South India we have Anzen team which is available. So so we will try to help each and everybody to fill their forms, but there is some reason why we would like that the first lot of expression of interest are received before 25th. Okay, so उस हिसाब से ये है कि we have around 2 weeks and basically हम लोग जो है पूरी हेल्प के लिए अवेलेबल हैं। और इसमें हाँ आप बताइए, आप कुछ और बोल रहे हैं।
मैं दूसरी चीज ये कह रहा था कि हमारी एरिया में जो रॉयल्टी जमा होती है वो 1 अक्टूबर से लेकर 30 सितंबर तक उसका पीरियड होता है। तो अभी जो सबमिशन होगी वो जो लोगों की रॉयल्टी जमा होगी वो 30 सितंबर तक की होगी।
वो ठीक है, उसके अंदर जो
तो वो चलेगा ना?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, जो पिछला जो पीरियड है, क्योंकि अभी नया पीरियड शुरू नहीं हुआ है, तो वो उसका वो चलेगा। ठीक है,
तो और जैसे कंसेंट भी हैं, कंसेंट भी जो हैं वो दिसंबर तक के हैं, वो जनवरी में रिन्यू होते हैं।
तो
पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड के,
इसीलिए उसके अंदर जो है उसकी वैलिडिटी डेट दी हुई है। तो जो अभी आपके पास में जो वैलिड डेट है वो आपको लिखनी है। The second point which I would like to make here is that I think brickmakers will think that why they should be registering for this certification. So जो पहले मनु ने बताया बहुत क्लियरली कि इससे जो है जो इसमें मेन एक वो है कि इस जो एंटरप्राइजेस सर्टिफाइड होंगी उनकी डिमांड कैसे जो है उनके प्रोडक्ट्स को सेल करने में कैसे फायदा हो और उसको कैसे सेल को बढ़ाया जा सके, एक मेन मोटिव है जिसके ऊपर बी इज वर्किंग ऑन ए program. But what I would also like to add that there are several things being planned. There has also been interaction with the Ministry of Small and Micro Enterprises. So there are possibilities of also having a special scheme, support scheme for enterprises who are registered with E3 mark, E3 certified enterprises. There can also be possibility of having special training programs for workers and managers of E3 enterprises, as well as further technical support for basically if they are then planning to go for any new technology. So we have to see in that context ki this certification will not only help in increasing the demand, but also there are several other programs which will get linked to this, and we are hoping that iska jo ek tarah se official launch hoga, that will be also taking place in next few weeks, by some dignitary, and that is also one of the reasons why for the first slot the date has been kept as 25th. Sonal, back to you.
Yes, so I think Fida Hussain has raised his hand. So you can speak now. I have unmuted you.
Yeah, thank you. See, I wanted to know, now all this is taking place with hollow blocks plus hollow clay bricks and solid bricks. See, we are manufacturing this hollow clay roof blocks and hollow clay blocks, roof blocks with which is called Maruti also. So does that include, can we include that also into these products or not?
But you are not making bricks. You are only making those hoodie blocks.
Yeah, no. We also manufacture wall blocks and bricks also, along with this.
Yeah, Sonal, would you like to?
Yes. So this roof block. So are those in the form of this hollow tiles?
Yeah, hollow. But it can save concrete as a filler, and usually
Okay.
a lot of temperature difference will come.
Okay. So
That we've experimented on our side, and
yes.
because it's hollow, on both the sides we have covered it like a pipe.
Okay. So
And then one pipe we kept on the one side and to the top. Another pipe we have given for the below. So what happened was when that mason was opening the one to the top, his hand just jumped, because of pressure. Because hot air always tends to go up. So the whole slab was getting cooled. I mean, we haven't tested it, but that is the thing that we got.
yeah. So for the purpose of this E3 scheme, only the bricks and blocks products are covered,
Okay.
which are used for wall purposes. So the hollow roof tiles, so those are not currently included in the E3 scheme thing.
Yeah.
So
Maybe you can include after going through this. Yeah.
Yeah, so we can separately be in touch,
Yeah.
Mr. Hussain,
you
for
can-
your specific case.
Yeah.
Yes, you can also share the
A
photographs.
lot of people manufacture these products.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. One more thing. Hello. One more thing. Can I ask?
Yes.
See, in our kiln, it's a mix of products. We not only we have a tunnel kiln, and we not only fire hollow blocks and bricks, we also have tiles in them. So, does that make any difference for the calculations?
No, that will not make a difference because the application form is designed in such a way to really, so it has been considered your case that in a kiln, not only bricks are produced, but along with bricks, tiles and other different kind of products are also produced.
Yeah.
Table 2, if you see, so it is, so that is why the information has been asked wise, not wise. So you have mentioned all the brick product types which you are producing, and just to name your kiln technology which you are using for producing that, and the number of bricks which you are producing. So so basically, if you are producing any other product also in the same kiln along with bricks, so that will not make a difference in the calculation. So it will consider the brick products.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
I think there was one question by Mr. Kannan about if suppose people are using gasifiers. So I think in the fuel that table where the fuel details are given, they can just write biomass gasifier and whatever fuel they are using for that, because there, if Sonal will show us, so So method and type of fuel used, there they can write that it is biomass gasifier. And GCP of fuel will be that if suppose I am using rice husk for in biomass gasifier, and if the GCV is say 3500 kilocal per kg, so that you have to write. Currently, this table 4 is not being used in any calculation. This is only information which is being collected. Okay. So,
okay, sir. Perfect. Got it.
So that is the thing.
Yeah, that was my question. Fine. Perfect.
Then Mr. Badlani is asking, can you help BQOs for filling these formats? Yes. So as I said earlier, we would be available. You have to just drop a mail, or you have the phone numbers of Sonal as well as myself also, and then so the Green Tech team would be available, as well as our partner agency in South, Enzen, where Bindya and Abdul are there. So they will be helping. Because I think the key thing is to fill the table 2 right. I think the other things are, so I think that's where people may require some support, and we will be ready to help everybody.
Any other question or?
Sonal, there are no other questions as far as I can see.
Sir, just one last question.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
Just one last question. Here, actually, we are taking only production, but do we, like, for example, you're saying for 1 year we forecast so many
Yes.
units of bricks, but do we take efficiency? Means what is your rejection rate? Is there anything on that? Or
Currently not. Currently, it has been designed to be a sort of a simple process. So the rejection rate is not appearing here.
okay, perfect. Thanks.
So I would also request all the people who have attended this seminar to also, first of all, apply for this certification, but also tell their other friends and other brick makers about this initiative. And we want that by say 25th we receive good number of applications, and it will be processed very fast, and we expect that by the next month we are able to start giving first sort of certifications, and we will have certain number of E3 certified enterprises by next month or so. Sonal, back to you.
Yes, so
मोहनलाल जी को बुला लो.
yes, so yeah, so anyway, we have tried to explain all the application formats and what kind of information is required, how you can fill it, and how you can submit this UI. And you have to submit it till 25th, and in between, as Samir said, we are available to help you. So in case if you have any query, any doubt regarding this, so you can drop an email to this e3scheme@gmail.com. My number is also flashing here, so you can also connect to me, as well as Bindya and Abdul. So they are based in Bangalore, and many of the brick manufacturers already know them, and their numbers are with them, so they can also reach out to them for any assistance in filling up this application form. I think we are coming to a closer. So